heck?
They're really
How
cute.
old are they?
Okay.
Maybe a couple weeks.
Oh, yeah?
When they're first born, actually, you could fit maybe 5 of them in your palm.
Oh,
They're really small. Actually, even smaller. They're about that big.
Really?
They're extremely tiny, but they grow pretty fast. They've got a lifespan of about 5 years, maybe.
Really? That's
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, it's really kind of sad. That's all
We
it
should
is.
probably not hold them, right?
I wouldn't, because I don't know if they
Yeah,
bite
that-
or what they do.
yeah.
But
Or what did
They're
you
sweet.
actually, they're actually really close to cats, and they're kind of like docile like that. But they're more personable.
They're all
It's like
together.
cats, all kind of are. They run away and they try
Yeah.
to stay away from people, but
Yeah.
possums are really friendly and they, at least more domesticated possums at least.
Do they live 5 years because they always die on the road?
Yeah, and predators,
Run!
easy prey.
Look at the little
The little
Is that the little
run! He
runs
looks
there?
like the
Probably,
run.
he's pretty small.
Yeah, and he's shaking.
Yeah.
You
Where's-
take
where's
care
Bob?
of
That
yourself.
sound they're
Oh, look at
making.
you climbing all over your brothers and sisters.
Some bikers.
Yeah, you're right on, Run.
At him.
Oh, really?
Go ahead, Run.
Wish it right there. I picked him up.
Anymore.
You rescued him? You're the hero, huh?
Dennis.